Today, join me as I satisfy my lechon cravings here in Ricos Lechon Vivo Iscario. Yes guys, kaya kung wala pa mo kahibaw, ang Ricos Lechon nganhi sa Access Iscario is now open and they are really practicing the enhanced safety protocols. And right now, they have their Valentine's promo meal. It is a set meal good for two which range from 700 to 1,000 pesos in which kompleto na from appetizer to dessert. Pero bisag sa pagkukumpleto, pasensya ni order ko sa garlicky squid balls because this is really my favorite in Ricos Lechon. And for that, mga unang yun ta, pero una sa mag-andam taog, sausawan. And of course, atong unahon ang munggos because ganang ko sa munggos nga ni sa lechon because I really love munggos nga nanay lechon daan. And of course, ang crispy kangkong, yes, kauntag more vegetables o MUKAON biya tag lechon. At least murag balance ang ato ang diet ba. And of course, the garlicky squid ball. This is really my favorite again here in Ricos Lechon. So if ever pa mo ka-try, give it a try. And perfect kaya siya actually with the munggos. Yun, nakay ko kasimple. Actually, pwede na wanay lechon. Joke. Here's the lechon. Actually, what comes is a regular lechon. But actually, you can add on to make it spicy. Giming ako lechon promise. Plus the munggos, kompleto na good kaayo. And para mas kompleto, of course, MUKAON yung tagpanit sa lechon. And right now, it is my first time to try their sariwang lumpia. And this is actually the junior size. And perfect yun siya. If you have noticed guys, kung MUKAON sa daghang baboy, pakapin na yun itong daghang puta. Now, ending our meal with pandan tapioca. And yeah, aka na din drink mo na siya bloody watermelon. And I really love the creaminess of the pandan tapioca. Obviously, nahurot good. But always remember guys to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me on my social media accounts. And let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!